Welcome to the Ultimate Anime Quiz, where your knowledge of iconic series and beloved characters will be put to the test. From classic battles and magical abilities to unforgettable moments, challenge yourself with these fun and engaging questions to see how much of an anime expert you really are. 1. In Naruto, what is the name of Naruto Uzumaki's signature jutsu? The correct answer is 2. In Dragon Ball Z, who was the first villain that Goku defeated using Super Saiyan form? The correct answer is 3. What is the name of the main character in Attack on Titan? The correct answer is 4. In One Piece, what is Luffy's dream? The correct answer is 5. In My Hero Academia, what is the name of Izuku Midoriya's quirk? The correct answer is 6. In Death Note, what is the name of the Shinigami who dropped the Death Note into the human world? The correct answer is 7. In Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, what are Edward and Alphonse Elric searching for to restore their bodies? The correct answer is 8. Who is the captain of the 10th Division in Bleach? The correct answer is 9. In Sword Art Online, what is the name of the first virtual reality MMORPG that traps its players? The correct answer is 10. In Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, what kind of creature does Nezuko Kamado become? The correct answer is 11. In Hunter x Hunter, what is the name of Gun's father? The correct answer is 12. In Tokyo Ghoul, what is the name of the main character who becomes a half ghoul? The correct answer is 13. In Neon Genesis Evangelion, who pilots the Evangelion Unit 01? The correct answer is 14. In One Punch Man, what is Saitama's greatest challenge? The correct answer is 15. In Fairy Tail, what type of magic does Natsu Dragneel use? The correct answer is 16. In Cowboy Bebop, what is the name of Spike Spiegel's spaceship? The correct answer is 17. In Sword Art Online, who is the creator of the SAO game? The correct answer is 18. In Black Clover, what magical ability does Asta possess? The correct answer is 19. In Haikyuu, which position does Hinata Shoyo play in volleyball? The correct answer is 20. In JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, what is Jotaro Kujo's stand called? The correct answer is 21. In the Seven Deadly Sins, who is the captain of the Seven Deadly Sins? The correct answer is 22. In Yu-Gi-Oh, what card is considered Yugi's signature monster? The correct answer is 23. In Your Name, What is the phenomenon that causes Taki and Mitsuha's lives to become intertwined? The correct answer is 24. In Bleach, what is Ishigo Kurosaki's sword, Zanpakuto, called? The correct answer is 25. In Blue Exorcist, who is Rin Okumura's true father? The correct answer is... And that's the end of our anime quiz. Let us know in the comment section below how many correct answers you got. Until next time, keep on quizzing.